What's up, YouTubers? Mark here again with ExoticCar PlayPlace, and today I'm going to talk about my Lamborghini Gallardo. You know, I'll always love the sound of a Lambo. As much as I also love the sound of my E60, this Lamborghini has a phenomenal sound. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I've upgraded the exhaust. I put a 2B exhaust in here last year, and I'm going to share that quick startup. I'm going to do a cold startup here for you right now. But before, as we do that, I'm going to talk about one of the little cool features on this Lamborghini that I want to show you. I just want to display it for you. It's a cool little novelty thing, but I think given the fact that we're talking about an Italian exotic car here, I don't think there's any question that, the reliability and the anxiety that people have typically with the reliability of these Italian supercars. It's nice to have little checks and balances to let you know that the car's in good shape before you even set off. So I want to show you this little trick that I found. Stick around, let's take a look. But before that, like I said, here's a cold start. So we're going to put the key in the ignition. So now let's get down to business. Let's start this bad boy. Feature, you hit the check button and it actually does a full scroll through on all the features of the car. Tells you left bank, right bank, do you have heating issues, battery, gas. Then you have some of these other little faults and codes that it checks on. It checks all your lighting, checks the tail, is it in good shape? Tells you, yeah, we're okay. Right now, obviously I've got a front hood open because I have the battery tender on it, but that's okay. Like I said, this is that cool little feature I just wanted to share with you guys. It's totally a neat little check and balance. Like I said, tells you if all your cylinders are fine, your gas, heating, battery, and all that other stuff. Four-wheel drive system's working, your tail's good. Like I said, everything's fine. All right, now that we're back, we got the car all wrapped up nice and neat here. So everybody, I hope you liked that video. It wasn't much, but I just wanted to show you one of the little trick pieces that I really like with the Gallardo. It's a nice little check and balance. I was told by the previous owner, hey, always check that. Maybe it's one of those things, maybe he's a little paranoid, maybe I'm a little paranoid, but you know what? I like to hit that little button. It's a quick check. It's kind of a little quick engine check, I guess, if you will. But anyway, if you do like the video, you make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'd love to see you guys come back for more. There's going to be a lot more Lamborghini and supercar videos this year coming up. And M5 videos if you happen to like that. Obviously, I love the V10 engine. That's why I have two V10 cars in the garage here. So again, it's Mark here signing out with ExoticCar PlayPlace. Love to see you on the next one. See you then. Bye-bye.